In the jungle, intellects, vast, cool, and unsympathetic, regarded this earth with envious eyes and slowly and surely drew their plans against us. In the 39th year of the 20th century came the Great Disillusionment. Near the end of October, business was better. The war scare was over. More men were back at work. Sales were picking up. On this particular evening, October 30th, the Crosley service estimated that 32 million people were listening in on radio. They flag up the stairs for servants to run Twin Towers, supported over Nova Scotia, causing a low pressure area to move down rather rapidly over the northeastern states, bringing a forecasted rain accompanied by winds of light gale force. Maximum temperature 66, minimum 48. This weather report comes to you from the government weather bureau. We take you now to the nearest Meridian Room in the Hotel Park Plaza in downtown New York, where you will be entertained by the music of Raymond Rotello and his opera.
Hitman 2-3, this is Hitman 2-2. How you read me now? 2-3 has you loud and clear. Out.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. From the Meridian Room in the Park Plaza Hotel.
Roger, hey, I got two unknowns moving along this berm that's over here to our right side. I can't see what they got going on, but they're acting kind of funny. Roger. Checking.
Ladies and gentlemen, we interrupt. Incandescent gas occurring at regular intervals on the planet Mars. The spectroscope indicates the gas to be hydrogen and moving toward the Earth with enormous velocity. Professor Pearson of the Observatory of Princeton confirms Farrell's observation and describes the phenomenon as, quote, like a jet of blue flame shot from a gun, unquote. We now return you to the music of Raymond Rotello playing for you in the Meridian Room of the Park Plaza Hotel situated in downtown New York.